Hey, pre-calculus scholars. I am hoping to help you guys get prepared a little bit more for the test that many of you missed because of AP testing. And we had then a shortened schedule because chapel went long. It was just crazy. But I wanted to go over like how to do problems easily on the calculator section. So I want to do problems number 31 and 34 here on the calculator section to show you how quick it is to do on your calculator and not have to stress out. So when you look at this very first one, it looks like we're doing a compound interest problem. But here's the easiest thing to do. I would divide both sides by 1,000. You don't have to, but it's going to make your life easier. Both sides by 1,000 and you get 3. Oops, just realized my pen is in the wrong color, guys. Here we go. Hold on. We get 3 is equal to 1 plus 0.08 over 12 to 12 to the x. Now I'm actually going to do what we learned a couple units ago about how to use our calculator using point of intersection. So what I'm going to do on my calculator is I'm going to let y1 equals 3 and I'm going to let y2 equals what's on the right. So let's see if I remember what all these is. I'm going to probably go back and forth between the two. Let's see if I can minimize this a little bit. No, it's not going to help me do it. All right, so let's do this real quick. We got this to be 3. All right, and then we got our other one. I got to arrow down here. Sorry about that, guys. Parentheses, we got 1. What was it? Plus, we have alpha y equals. And let me double check what I got here so I'm not forgetting. Okay, I was forgetting here for a moment. 0.08 over 12. And then you can put parentheses and then we're going to raise it to the 12x. Now, I'm going to sit there and I'm going to go graph. So we are going to go, let's go zoom right now. Let's do zoom 6. Just do zoom standard and just see what we got. Now, the window doesn't work. Okay, well, what do we practice? We practice changing our windows. So let's go to our window and I'm going to go x min is 0 and I'm going to go to like, I don't know, let's go to 50. All right. And let's leave y min for right now. Same thing. And then just hit graph. Now notice it worked out pretty well. So remember, using your windows and changing it, just don't hit zoom again, and graph can do it. Then you just got to go second trace, do number 5, which is intersect. And remember, you just got to go enter. It goes to the next line, goes enter. You don't want to guess, you just go enter. And it goes to the point of intersection. Remember, we're going to go to 3 decimal places. So this would be 13.778. So let's put that away. So we got x is going to be 13.778. What do you guys think? Pretty simple. Now you can do the same thing on the next one. I would suggest, if I was doing that, I would divide by 1,000 and I would divide this by 1,000. And then you just go e to the 20x equals 11,388 divided by 9,000. Do it that way. Works a little bit better. But even on the next one, you could take a couple different routes. You could literally, on number 34, let that whole thing be y1, let this whole thing be y2, or change it so that you go natural log of 2x squared plus 3 all over x squared plus 1 is equal to natural log of x plus 1. But either way, guys, all you're going to do is you can literally let this whole thing be y1, let this whole thing be y2, and set it up. So make sure that we have that. So let's go back to your calculators. I'm just running down on my computer real quick what I needed. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go our y equals. Let's change what we got here. So I'm just going to go natural log of, and I'm going to go alpha y equals again. Enter. What do we got here? We got 2x squared plus 3 all over, what do we got here? X squared plus 1. All right, that's going to be our first one. We're going to arrow down. We're going to clear this one. And then we're going to get our natural log of our quantity. Oops, just go back one, go x plus 1. Parenthesis. And then I'm going to go zoom 6 again because I just want to do standard to see if it shows me anything. And I do have an intersection here. So if you want to change the window, you can, but I'm just going to go second trace intersect number 5, go enter, enter, enter. And what do we get? We get 1.353. So X is approximately 1.353. All right, 3 decimal spots. Does that make sense, guys? Use those to help you on your calculator be able to get those values. And the same type of idea here using compounding interest and stuff. If you can do that on your calculator and know how to do natural log and stuff on your calculator, you should have no problem. So hopefully this will help you guys feel a little bit better, more confident about the calculator section on the test.